Okay, and again, a reminder about obviously trading is risky and you're using discretionary funds and you know the verbiage on the website. Um, our projected target that I had posted early, that the first significant target that I wanted to see hit was the '03, and then get paid by '05 to '06 for sure. And we said sidelines for the open for conservative traders because this was a buy high, sell higher. And we were going to jam shorts, and the question was how high. So if you go back and look at the notes, Zeke Fabulous Call, free market, had already smelled this out and understood where he thought this would go. If you go back and look at some of the posts I made, I said this '06 target could be revisited today. Go back, that's in the Slack room. And we called for the breakout back here at that 92.5. So support, we said, let's just put underneath it about a point, but the pressure was upside and the shorts were going to get squeezed. Learn to read the tape. Learn to feel when you have a breakout day versus a choppy environment like we did yesterday. And we can get crazy swings during rollover. A reminder, this is the September contract. So you do not have to short. In fact, today shorting is probably going to be difficult. There should be a reasonable swing at some point with some profit taking, but you're going to get chopped up 5 times before you guess the right spot to short. If you have been long and if you are a swing or position trader like we talked about, go back and review all those leverage points we talked about in potential targets, including the 29.10 target. And as a day trader, all you can hope to do is get into the flow and go with it. Breakout back here, 15-minute chart. Yesterday we said the 30 was supportive. Today we said let's use the 15 because it's conforming and really helping us. So should be paid for sure by '06. And then the next potential targets are the '08 to 10. And we're thinking about support. And then later today, we will find some other ideas. But the primary trade, I said today, see if we can get to 29.03. That's already been done. So gravy above. And this is a retest here at '06. NQ, we talked about a target already being achieved or close to it at 81, 75, 81. So if you're playing the NQ, make sure you're paid there. And the market does not owe you another nickel above '06. Said today, if we could get the '02 to '06 target range, that would be my primary goal. So anything above this is good fortune now. And if you hang out, and you may get a couple more, but you know, how much do you really want to give back to get a couple more? That's the key. And only traders who have made something from the long side have the right to take a short here, unless you haven't traded yet today and you've got some risk capital, you want to try to nickel and dime it. I say you need to give it a little time to cool off. And you're going to guess wrong 5 times today before you're right once. Already that's happened, I'm sure, with traders. This is just a one of those days that the boys are pushing long side, and then they get to the targets, and then we'll get small rotations backward. Usually you will not get a plunge. If you get 2 or 3 points backwards, maybe 4, you've done well, and then it kicks in again and chops. So don't come in with delusions right now that you're going to get yourself huge trade south side. I just don't see that happening. Little profit taking, maybe. Need time for these type of trades to cool off.